Hello children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. We are back with again another set of amazing assignments. So let's begin. The Sadhana Worksheet 1, Class 4. I feel some puzzles here. Solve the word puzzle by identifying the resources with the help of the given clue. First letter is given for you. Okay. Now, what we are supposed to do is cross and down. Cross is something like this. These are the crosses. Down is like this. So cross you can say is a horizontal line, down is a vertical line. So now what we'll do this, we'll just read the clues and we'll try to write the answer. Okay. Now I need it for drinking. So the first one, first cross. I need it for drinking. What you need for drinking? You require water for drinking, right? So here if you can see, W-A-T-E-R, water. Water for drinking. Okay, that is very important. People say that you need to drink more than 5 to 6 liters actually. Okay, well, what? Water. Okay, these are used for making utensils and tools. These are used for making utensils and tools. This lesson is all about your minerals, right? Minerals, metals. So here what we make use of making the utensils is the minerals, with the help of the minerals. So here you can see minerals, M-I-N-E-R-A-L-S, minerals. This is all cross. Okay. It is used to run steam engine. It is used to run steam engine, steam. It is run by the coal. It is run by the coal. So if you can see, C-O-A-L, coal. Clear children? Now this, I need it for drinking, it's water. These are used for making utensils and stool, it's some minerals. It is used to run the steam engine, it is coal. Is it very clear? With the help of the clue, you can easily identify. Now down. Okay, down is what? Is a vertical lines. Now I use it as fuel for my car. I use it for the fuel for my car. It can be a petroleum, it can be a kerosene. But here already the clues have been written. So now you need to match it up, whether kerosene is matched or petroleum is matched. Here T is there. So definitely it's petrol. P-E-T-R-O-L, petrol. See here, here L, here T. So that's how you need to think about whether, see, car is run by both petrol as well as a kerosene, right? Okay, I mean not kerosene, sorry, it's a diesel. Okay, kerosene you can't, it's completely havoc, it become horrible. Okay, the kerosene engine is different, diesel engine is different, petrol engine is different. Okay, so petrol, clear? Now coming to the fifth one, I need it to breathe. What you need to breathe? Air, oxygen, right? So let's see, down here, air, A-I-R, air. You know, it's not only there are 3 blocks, so definitely air. I need it for growing plants. So what is, I need it to grow plants. What you require to grow plants? It can be a water, it can be a soil, it can be a fertilizers, it can be anything. So here, but what you need to do is, you need to match with the different letters, right? So here minerals is end with S, here again L. So what is remaining? Soil, S-O-I-L, soil. This is how you need to do it, like a crossword puzzle you have in your magazines and your newspapers. Is it clear, children? It's very interesting. That's how you're going to build up all your, what you can say, how to make the columns, how to complete the clues, or how you can, with the help of the clues, how you can get the answers. Okay, now what is this? Write R for renewable or inexhaustible resources and N for non-renewable or exhaustible resources. What is renewable and non-renewable? Renewable and non-renewable. Renewable is something, it's going to be there forever, like water, air, okay. And what is non-renewable? At one point of time, it's going to exhaust, like petroleum deposits. By 2035 or 2040, it's going to exhaust. So there won't be no petroleum deposits, right? So that's how you need to write it out. What is this? Renewable and non-renewable. For R for renewable and for non-renewable, you need to write N. Okay, renewable R and non-renewable N. Is it clear what is renewable and non-renewable? So let's begin. Coal. Coal is non-renewable, right? It's going to exhaust at one point of time. So N, wind is renewable, it's going to stay, it's going to stay. Iron, again non-renewable. Plants, again a non-renewable. Afforestation, we don't know. Okay, sunlight is again a renewable, solar energy. Oil is non-renewable. Natural gas, again, is a non-renewable. Gold is a non-renewable. Copper is a non-renewable. Water is a renewable. But whatever the renewable things is, we need to protect that from the global warming, from the pollution and everything. Okay, is it clear? When you're thorough with renewable and non-renewable, you can do very well all this. Clear, children? Now let's go back with the other third bit. There are 6 different types of resources which we use in our daily lives. List any 6 such resources. Okay, every day without resources, our existence is completely highly impossible. We need all the resources. Now I'm holding a pen. This is made up of a plastic or sort of plastic, right? So I drink water, even that's a resource, right? So without resources, our existence is not possible. So we use the resources in our daily life. So they're asking, list out some 5 to 6 resources which you actually use in your daily life. So what is water? Without that, nothing is possible, right? Water, air, we can't live without air. Food, definitely. Coming the fuel, if I want to go from one place to another place, a fuel is required. Okay, depends upon the distance. You can't say that from here to there a fuel is not required, but it depends upon the distance. Okay, electricity, we are so used with the electricity. For 2 minutes also there's a power failure, we can't live, you know, we become so impatient. Okay, electricity is also important. Sunlight, definitely. Due to the sunlight, the existence, the mankind is possible. Every multi-organism on the earth is possible due to the sunlight. So these are the basic things, these are the resources which we are using every day, right? Is it clear, children? Let's go for the next slide. And with this, we conclude the assignment. If you can see this, we are going to conclude the assignment. Thank you. Thanks a lot.